Hey, you guys. So this is Charmaine, your angelic intuitive soul healer. Listen, I have a academy called Soul Healing Academy. If you need help learning how to heal your natural problems with spiritual solutions, I want you to reach out to me. Okay. I also have a Soul Good Juice course. Okay. We will be doing this for 30 days around the clock. Okay. If you need to learn how to juice, okay, if you want to, because see, when you're talking about Soul Healing Academy, this is the first thing you need to do. You need to change your diet so you can elevate your mind, so you can tap into the higher spiritual realms of God, right? It's called The Art of Eliminating Food, okay? I have a ebook called Culinary Suicide, right? I want you guys to look at my services and products that I offer so you can get the teaching, so you can get some understanding, okay? If you eat more than twice a day, it's wickedness, okay? It is. God will not have us to do that to our bodies, right? So you have to understand how to tap into the higher spiritual realms of God, and it starts with your diet. That's the only way you can heal your natural problems with spiritual solutions, right? I also teach you guys how to work with your angels. So if you're interested in Earth Angel Academy, if you're interested in joining the academy, learning about how to work with your Earth angels, okay? Also, I help people overcome trauma. Okay, if you are interested in working with me, if you need to heal from past ancestral trauma, you need to learn how to heal your past life karma, because some of us got karma we got to pay back. This is why I'm showing up on the scene. Okay, I had to heal myself from trauma. All right, my angels had to come and show up and heal me and serve me so that I can heal. So now I help other people heal as angelic intuitive soul healer, right? So this is what I do, right? Also, I want to talk about the inner intimacy experience, okay? Because you have to have that experience with yourself first. You got to have it with God. You have to have it with self in order to have the intimacy that you want with another human being. You have to learn how to be intimate with yourself. It's called spiritual marriage, okay? So you got to go through that process and have the inner intimacy experience, okay? Before you can have that with somebody else. Okay, so listen, if you're interested in working with me, if you're also interested in womb healing, you got to learn how to heal your womb, right? Okay, you got to learn how to break spiritual soul ties, all right? So this is part of what I do, y'all. This is why God has sent me on the scene. So I could teach you how to soul heal from within, okay? It's called Soul Healing from Within. And also, it's a trauma recovery retreat, okay? I take you on a retreat and I teach you how to heal your womb, because trauma is healed, y'all, in the womb, right? So this is why God has sent me. I'm sent to help you if you're interested in also learning about spiritual warfare through my story, right? I take you from the kingdom of darkness to the kingdom of light, y'all. This is what I do, okay? This is about me, your angelic intuitive soul healer, y'all. This is what God has sent me here to do, right? So I am your malak. I'm the sent one. I'm here to teach you so you can rewrite your happy, right? All of this stuff is so you can rewrite your happy, rewrite your story. It's all about your story, right? You're just a character. You're just an actor that's playing a role in your story. So all of this stuff, y'all, is to teach you how to rewrite your happy, right? So you can co-labor with your angels and you can have heaven, baby, here on earth.